Hey guys, welcome back to Angel Place. I don't know why this place called Angel something. I'll put it in the description. Look at it. Wow, looks so nice. There's even a namtok here. Waterfall. So we have entered paying 80 baht and we are at the Dante Badat Land of Angels Fall. Look at this mystical place. So much mist and many tall trees. Wow, it's amazing. Amazing. Oh, you can bring your kids here to do rock climbing, but this one is more like plank climbing. And there's this over here, the well, the mystical well with water spewing out from the rocks. And some kid trying to pee or something, I don't know. Wouldn't want to know. Look at that long stretch of road. Happiness, you can walk hand in hand with your kid or husband and just walk together. Long stretch of road. So cute! There's even small little lamps here. There are like 5. So cute! Yeah, what is that? This is cat. Oh, that lamb eating from the lady basket. Attack! Attack her.
Or eat the butt.
Don't chew their butt. Oi! Just sheep,
Mini pizza.
but they are rabbits. Even one has just given birth to 4 down there. So cute. Hello. 10 experience of lambs. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow. Then there's even a flower garden. You can even climb up the stairs to nowhere too. Over there. Wow, really beautiful place. I think it's worth the 80 baht. Injured, not injured, fully recovered, can walk. Just come here, man. Look at this, so beautiful. Wow, blue pool, sapphire pool, or emerald pool. They walk through this amazing jungle, amazing forest. And then beside the Nonya house, Peranakan. Very good, very good. You have to experience. Maybe this might be similar to the imaginary jungle. Imaginary. Pool starts off with the waterfall. Into the cave we go. And into the cave we go, and looks like a underwater cavern. Very nice. Although it might be artificial, made by humans, but still looks pretty amazing. Oh, look at the entrance into Narnia. Oh, and you also get to walk through like a valley. 2 tall stones beside you. Walk through this magical place. Very good, very good. I'm very impressed. Wow. Sun Sung Baja. We are at Jok Chok Sompet. Eat some chok and maybe some dim sum too. It opens 24/7. Seems pretty nice. Let's see what they have to offer. Jutube bao, cream bao, all combi noodle, all combi porridge with egg. Looking good. Hey guys, so we are at Khao Mau Khao Phang Imaginary Jungle. Look at this forested place. We're gonna have our dinner in the jungle. Hopefully no mosquitoes. And just very nice things to look at. Oh, look at that. Wow. 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 Wonderful seaside view. Very good, impressive, amazing, fantastic. Cashew nut chicken was nutty. The deep fried sour pork with garlic and peanut was chewy. The mango coconut shake was mangoey. Charity squash with egg was nice. Green curry chicken was spicy, sweet yet creamy. And then the pineapple rice was sweet. And the tuck tin fish was soft and limey. Quite good. Oh, look at the toilet. Really make you feel like peeing or pooping in the jungle. Wow. Very nice. Wow, we are at Wela D restaurant today. Look at the, oh, so grandeur, the music, oh, so nice. Very atas looking like place. Deep, even deeper than Okaju. So we're going in. Wow, they even have so many toys in here. Ooh, toy paradise. They even have Astro Boy. Look at that. Ice Coco Dirty Dark. Tom Yum Goong. Pat Ruang. What's up guys, welcome back. The entrance fee for this place is, for foreigners is 50 baht, for locals is 30 baht. This is called Hui Peng Tao. A lot of sculptures, got elephant, gorilla, maybe even a jaguar. Very tall green stuff here. You can even cycle on the water for 30-50 baht. Very nice place. Come here on a good weather day. Oh look, there's a sheep farm here too. Yeah. And then you see more to explore, more sculptures to see. Very beautiful sculptures indeed. Then look at the windmill over there. Oh wow. This lake is absolutely beautiful. Guys, so today morning we woke up earlier. For me, I woke up earlier to eat this Malay noodle. It might be Tom Yum noodles or khao soi. Gonna figure it out. The shrimp wonton was crispy and meaty. The Tom Yum noodle was okay, Tom Yummy and nice. Alright, so after breakfast, we are gonna get some baos to complete our breakfast. Along the old moat still, and roughly each bao is like 25 baht to 30 baht. Pretty good. Alright, so after some bao, what are we gonna get? Some coffee, because we can. Look at the interior. Oh, wow! Wow! Look at this. Wow! You could play the board games that they have too with your friends. We are at Eggy Eggy today for lunch. Eggy Eggy. Eggy Eggy. Egg place. Wow! So this is the interior. They have burgers too, noodles too. Very nice. Noodles in fried noodles with pork is nice. Strong cocoa flavor in this one. Chelsea scrambled egg and rice. Was a bit tough, but the egg rice was nice, smooth and soft. And then free toast bread. Comment down below. What board games will you play at the Zong Coffee? For me, I wouldn't mind playing Avalon. Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.